Of the seas, the explorer of the seas, the mariner of the seas, the navigator of the seas, and the voyager of the seas. From bow to stern, our Voyager class of ships is packed with activities for guests of the nation of Why Not. Each of our amazing Voyager class ships is home to the Royal Promenade, a unique experience that's at the center of each ship, featuring shopping, restaurants, and pubs. But step outside and prepare to be truly amazed, with more things to do than you ever thought possible on a ship. Play basketball or volleyball on our full-size courts. Climb our rock wall 200 feet above the ocean. And why not ice skate on our onboard rink? Or if you feel like doing nothing at all, soak up the sun in our stunning adults-only glass solarium. Then head to our full-service day spa and let the pampering begin. With a vacation on board our Voyager class of ships, you'll never be at a loss for a new onboard experience. And you're almost guaranteed to never hear the